Hi! In today's video, you will be learning how to manually open a ticket in Zoho Desk. If you want more Zoho Desk related tutorials, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon.
To add the ticket manually, click on the plus icon on the top menu. Fill in the relevant information. Mandatory fields are colored in red. Specify contact name. Add email. Fill in the subject. The default status of the newly created ticket is open. To change the status, click on the status pick list and choose the option. Specify the ticket owner if you need to assign a ticket to another agent or team. Fill in additional information if needed, as due date, priority, channel, language, and so on. Click Submit, and a new ticket will be created.
Thank you for watching. That was a quick guide on how to manually open a ticket on the Zoho Desk. Help us reach more people. Hit the like icon, subscribe, and share our video with your community. If you have queries or concerns, contact us at knowhow@customerization.ca.